here in Wake Up Ilocos, and it's now time for our Words of Wisdom. So Wayne, ano bang Words of Wisdom natin for today?
Here we go. Life is the best school. God is the best teacher. Problem is the best assignment. Failure is the best revision.
So ang ibig sabihin ng ating Words of Wisdom for today ay yun na mismo, nasasabi na doon. Ang buhay, of course, yun ang ating school. We learn a lot from our life, we make mistakes, natututo naman tayo. Of course, sinong teacher natin? Si God. Sa Kanya lang natin natututunan lahat. Sa Kanya tayo lumalapit for advice. Of course, si God mismo, yung mga words niya, yung mismong nakalagay sa Bible, yun yung lesson na dapat nating matutunan sa bawat mistake na nagagawa natin. Failure, of course, is the best revision. Maaari ka mang gumawa ng failures paulit-ulit. Of course, you have to make sure then na every failure you've been through, you get to correct yourself and become the best that you can be.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Jana. So, that has been our wow for today. Tune in again next week for another dose of your positive thoughts. Wake Up Ilocos will be right back.